Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 7. Sy is equal to 30. S plus y is equal to 7. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 7. Let us make this y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 7 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, xy is equal to 30. Let us substitute for y, which is 7 minus x. S bracket 7 minus x is equal to 30. Let us open the bracket with this x. S multiplied by 7. That is 7x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 30. This can be written as minus s square plus 7x. If you equate everything into 0 and bring this 30 to the left hand side, we have minus 30 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus s squared divided by minus 1. This will give s squared, then plus 7s divided by minus 1. This will give minus 7x. Then minus 30 divided by minus 1. This will give plus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve it using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 30, s is equal to minus bracket minus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 30 divided by 2 multiplied by a is 1. S is equal to minus multiplied by minus 7. This is 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 squared, that is 49 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30, that is 120 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. X is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 120, that is minus 71 divided by 2. S is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of minus 71 can be written as square root of 71 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Square root of minus 1 is equal to I. S is equal to 77 7 plus or minus square root of minus 1 I, then root 71 divided by 2. Therefore, S1 is equal to 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2, and s2 is equal to 7 minus I root 71 divided by 2. These are the values of s. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 7 minus x. Then y1 is equal to 7 minus 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2, and y2 is equal to 7 minus I square root of 71 divided by 2. This is over 1. The LCM is 2. 1 into 2 times 7, 14. Y1 is equal to 14 minus, if you open the bracket with negative, we have 7 minus I square root of 71 divided by 2. Y1 is equal to 14 minus 7. This is 7 minus I root 71 divided by 2. Also, y2 is equal to, this is over 1. 1 into 2 times 7, we have 14 minus 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2. Y2 is equal to 7 minus 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2. This is the value of y2, and this is value of y1. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2, 7 minus I root 71 divided by 2. Then s2, y2 is equal to 7 minus I root 71 divided by 2, 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation are s plus y is equal to 7, sy is equal to 30. Let us consider this. S plus y can be written as 7 plus I square root of 71 divided by 2 plus 7 minus I square root of 71 divided by 2. The LCM here is 2. We have 7 plus I root 71 plus 7 minus I root 71 divided by 2 must be equal to 7. This must be equal to 7. Then this cancel this. You have 7 plus 7 divided by 2 must be equal to 7. 7 plus 7, 14 divided by 2. This is 7 is equal to 7, which is true. Now let us consider this. Xy can be written as 7 plus I root 71 divided by 2 multiplied by 7 minus I root 71 divided by 2. must be equal to 30. 7 times 7, this is 49 minus 7i root 71 plus 7i root 71, then minus I square multiplied by 71 must be equal to 30. This cancel this. 49 minus I square multiplied by 71, then 2 multiplied by 2. This divided by 4 must be equal to 30. I square is equal to minus 1. Then this one too also is divided by 4. Now we have 49 minus 1 multiplied by 71 divided by 4 must be equal to 30. This is 49 plus minus times minus 1, that is plus 1 times 71. 71 divided by 4 must be equal to 30. Now here 49 plus 71, this is 120 divided by 4 must be equal to 30. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. 30 is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.